Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain debugging FastAPI versus VS Code. First, ensure your FastAPI project is correctly set up. Next, we'll configure VS Code's launch.json file, which is crucial for effective debugging. This involves defining specific configurations for your application. We will then explore common debugging scenarios, helping you understand how to approach and resolve issues efficiently within your development environment. This foundational knowledge is key to a smooth debugging experience. Let's dive into the essentials of debugging. You'll learn to set breakpoints, pausing your code execution at precise lines. This allows you to inspect variables and their current values, giving you a clear picture of your application state. We'll also practice stepping through your code line by line, tracing the exact flow of execution. Understanding how to handle asynchronous operations, a common pattern in FastAPI, is also vital for effective problem solving. These techniques form the core of efficient debugging. VS Code offers powerful features to enhance your debugging. You can leverage the debug console for interactive code execution, testing expressions and commands on the fly. Utilize watch expressions to continuously monitor specific variables, observing their changes throughout your program's run. Setting conditional breakpoints allows you to pause only when certain criteria are met, saving valuable time. We'll also touch upon advanced tools like logpoints, which inject logging without modifying your source code, and hot reloading for quicker iterations. To optimize your debugging, consider these best practices. Structure your FastAPI application logically, making it easier to isolate and identify issues. Integrate robust logging throughout your code. Well-placed log messages can often pinpoint problems before you even need the debugger. Employ testing frameworks to catch bugs early in the development cycle, reducing the need for extensive debugging later. By adopting these strategies, you can significantly streamline your debugging workflow and improve overall development efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.